Welcome back. Today we're going to see how to build chords from the C major scale. So first of all, what is a chord? A chord is three notes played together or more. So a chord equals three or more notes. Excuse my terrible handwriting. That's what you need to learn today. A chord equals three or more notes together. So how do we build a chord from this scale, the C major scale? Well, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the formula to build a chord. So C to E is 3 and E to G is 3 notes, okay? So this is called a third, and 2/3 equals one chord. You don't have to remember this today, but what I want you to remember is if we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we will get a C major chord. Okay? Let me write it down here. So C major equals 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's C, D, C, E, and then G. Okay? And we can do this for every note on the scale. We can build a chord from every note. So for example, if we go to D, go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's in fact D to F and then F to A. So D equals D, F, A. However, because we're in the C major scale, it's not a D major, it's a D minor. Okay? So that's a D minor chord. Let's try for E. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So E equals E, G, and then B. The same thing here, it will be an E minor, okay? We just put M for minor. What about F? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So F equals F, A, and then C. Now for the next chord, right, G, 1, 2, 3. There's no note here. Well, all we have to do is add a D, because after C, right, C, there's a D. And after D, there's an E, so we can actually write E and F while we're here. So for G, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is G, B, and then D. What about for A? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This would be an A minor chord, however. So that would be A, C, E. And finally, we have B, right? This one's a bit special, because if we go B, D, to F, these are also thirds, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. However, they make up a chord that's not really minor and not really major. It's a diminished chord, right? So we put D diminished, and we get B, D, and then F. And we'll see that this one's a bit special. We'll see that in another episode. So this is what you need to remember today. We can build a chord from 3 notes. And how do we build a chord? Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And even though we have the same formula, right, that's a third as well, this will be a minor chord, okay? So if we keep the same formula in this major scale, we will get both major, minor, and a diminished chord. I hope that makes sense. and I will see you in the next episode.